I'm sexy and I know it.
What's the best part about his outfit right there?
His shoes. No, I don't like those necklaces.
He's sexy and I know it.
Are you sexy and you know it?
Obviously. Obviously.
Is it because you're blonde, showing off this? What? Fresh till death. How you know?
Because I'm the one who wrote you and said you were around here, Ontario and Dundas.
So you know who I is?
Yes, indeed I do.
What on earth were you thinking when you wore what you're wearing right now?
To be honest, I don't know. I just wanted, because I got these shoes, so I was like, I want to wear those shoes. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wear leggings and shit.
So you think it makes you look hot?
Yeah.
What does all of this mean?
What does all mean? Like, I don't know. I don't have any idea.
You just got up and said, I'm just gonna go and not mean anything?
No. I just want to go home and cook.
Go home and cook. Typical lady right here. Two Asian people in front of me, barely wearing anything. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Do you just say, my body's too sexy, I have to show it off?
No, of course not.
What were you thinking?
This is just because of, you know, it's not regular when I'm tanning.
Say like you saw you walking towards you. What would you think?
I would wonder why I'm wearing a sweater.
And it's so hot too. Yeah, why are you wearing clothes?
It is against the law to be naked.
But you wouldn't mind that, right? What's happening on this lovely, beautiful day? You just woke up?
Kind of, yeah.
You just made her wake up?
And I'm drunk.
Does your outfit say, I'm a drunk man?
No, my outfit says, even though I'm lazy, I got swag.
Do you think what he's wearing makes him look sexy?
Yes, but he's my brother, so...
Swag is everything, you know, like swag. You don't have swag, you don't get chicks.
Basically, you're dressed like this to get girls.
Attention.
And to feel good, and to
Feel good yourself, attention.
What was going through your mind to make you decide to wear what you're wearing? Do you think that you look hot in it?
No,
But what about the earrings? What's the earrings saying? The big hula hoop earrings.
it's pretty small, but...
Those are like the big hula hoop earrings. You could literally do hula hoop piercings. So what's that? Why do you get the piercing? What does that say to you? You're trying to like be like hardcore girl, like gangster.
Okay, if I was really all that gangster, I wouldn't have this many piercings because it hurts like a son of a bitch when you get them ripped out.
But still, when you get the piercings, it's like you're a bad man. It's almost like getting dreads, except dreads are cooler. What is all of this saying to me?
I'm awesome.
What were you thinking when you decided to wear what you wore?
It was the first thing I seen.
Mickey Mouse, but doesn't look like Mickey Mouse. Nah, that's Dead Mo 5. So why are you dressing like gangster?
It's intimidation to the police, you know? They look at you, they think you're a gangster, they stop you. It's like, yo, I got nothing. Fuck off.
Don't look here, look here. Is that a 5? Can I ask your opinion on something? These girls right here. What is it? What number is that?
5.
Told you. So you're sexy, I know it?
Of course.
So is that band-aid part of the sexiness?
No, I went for surgery. Surgery. Operation.
I thought that was like swag. I didn't know it was like surgery swag.
No, it's
I thought it was
just,
like your swag.
just surgery. No swag involved in the band-aid.
Big respects to this person for requesting the topic for today's video. I took it and put my own spin on it. I have to ask, what are you wearing? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below in the boom box. Just a quick update before I go. I'll be away for like a week or so. So I have my man Controversy filling in for me. So when you see him next week, don't be like, oh my goodness, a gangster black man. No. Just show him some love. And for today, your riddle can be found by clicking right here. So yes, people, I will see you when I get back. Until next time, I'm Leroy Sedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. Out.
Do you do your eyebrows?
No, I don't do my eyebrows.
Really now?
No, never did. Does it look like I do my eyebrows?
No, follow me on Twitter, okay?
My shine's unreal. Taste the blue steel. Coming through blue Bugatti, blue wheels, blue J fitted, blue diamond grip.
I even know what the guy just said. I just heard dibba dibba dup, dibba dup. Let's see if these guys can cross the road without getting hit by a car. Go, go, go. Oh, sorry. No, go. Oh. Yeah.